Good morning, students. So today we are going to start a new chapter from supplementary, and the name of the chapter is Footprints Without Feet. And this chapter, it's a novel which is written by H.G. Wells, The Invisible Man. You might have heard the name of this novel, or perhaps you may have watched movies, right? The same part is taken here, introduced by the author. One small extract is taken because The Invisible Man by H.G. Wells, the same author, it's a very long novel. Only few incidents are introduced here. Clear? This Footprints Without Feet, written by H.G. Wells, Herbert George Wells, famous writer, born in 1866 and died in 1946. Clear? And English writer, prolific in many genres, writing novels, short stories, satires, biographies, autobiographies, and generally he is considered as the father of science fiction, right? As the father of science fiction, because especially this novel, it is a science fiction about the scientific invention, right? One character, for example, the Invisible Man, real name Griffin. Few characters are here. In that few characters, Griffin is the main character. Who is this Griffin? He is the Invisible Man, named Griffin. Another character, Mr. Hall and Mrs. Hall, couple. Owner of inn, owner of the inn at Epping, the village, one of the small village in London, and the name of that village is Epping. And Mr. Hall, especially Mrs. Hall, this lady, that she is the owner of that inn at Epping. So these two characters, first one is Griffin the Invisible Man, second one is Mr. Hall, then Mrs. Hall, then another characters which are given in this chapter, clergyman, his wife, then after that constable, Jafar, the name is given, and so many other minor characters, right? So these are the, but for us major character, that is Griffin, who is the Invisible Man. So when the lesson starts, at that time, the reference of the two boys is given here. The boys see footprints from nowhere, right? Actually, when the lesson took place, the two boys that they started in surprise, looking at the fresh muddy imprints. Imprints means marks, we could say, right? The two boys, when the lesson starts, that they were means surprisingly that they were looking at the fresh muddy imprints or the footprints that they were looking. Suddenly that they noticed two boys, right? And for example, the imprints, it means marks of the feet, a pair of bare feet. The boys then started thinking about the different questions. What kind of the questions that they started? For example, what was a barefooted man doing on the streets of London, especially in the middle street of London? And who was that man? Where? Who? All these questions that they started. Because the man was not visible, only they could see the imprints of the bare foot of a pair of feet. That was. Otherwise, the man was not visible. Only the muddy imprints or the footprints. So, in this way, that the boys, that they were surprised, they were thinking, who was that barefooted person in the steps of a house? What was he doing in London? Plus, one more question that and where was the man, because man was not visible. So that is that. Next, then suddenly what happened? A remarkable sight. That the boys suddenly that they found that they made a remarkable sight, and the sight was of a fresh footmark once again appeared. Right? The boys then they saw that after that also the fresh footmarks, fresh muddy footmarks of the bear or the bare feet started appearing, or they appeared. So now the boys that they got fascinated, attracted, surprised, one after another footprints that they were appearing, and later on then they saw the footprints or the imprints descending down the street, progressing towards the down the street that they noticed, and then what the boys did, that the boys followed them until the footprints became fainter and fainter, that the two boys that they followed the footprints, right? And suddenly what happened, that footprints suddenly altogether that they disappeared, right? So in this way that they disappeared suddenly. So this is what the first point is given. When the lesson starts, the reference of the two boys, when they suddenly noticed imprints of fresh muddy imprints on the ground suddenly appeared. They were thinking about the various questions, but once again fresh muddy imprints started to appear, one after another, progressing, it means descending down the street, and suddenly it means disappeared altogether. So this is what the reference. Now the next point, imprints of Griffin, an invisible scientist. Actually, the two boys who were bewildered means confused, that they had a confused now. Why the boys had been confused? Because it means the imprints of the footprints that they were visible. Footprints were visible, but the man was not man was invisible. Only imprints of the bare feet enough. Otherwise, nobody. They didn't know that from where the footprints that they appeared. Right? So the boys bewildered that they had been following such a scientist. Actually, then the reference is given by the writer. The two boys who had been following the bare feet or that imprints, that actually that they were following a scientist. Right? That was the scientist named Griffin. And what was the name of that scientist? Griffin, which is the main hero or the protagonist of this chapter or the novel almost. Right? Because this chapter is taken from the novel, The Invisible Man, and Griffin is the protagonist, main character. So he was the scientist, and who had discovered, he was the great scientist, no doubt at all, who had discovered that how to become, because he wanted to discover, he claimed that how to become invisible. That was his wish, that he wanted to do something that according to him, yes, we could do, that we could become invisible. And he was working on that project, that how to make human body transparent, right? Especially how to make human body transparent, that he was working on that project. So sir, after many days after his a lot of effort, what happened? That at last he discovered certain rare drugs, and he swallowed the certain rare drugs, and what happened suddenly? His body that became transparent. His body, or that man Griffin, that he became transparent as a sheet of glass. Just like it means he became invisible. When he swallowed, when he drank, right, when he swallowed that certain rare drugs, that his body became invisible, right, transparent. So this is what, just like as a sheet of glass. and more reference is given, that is but his body remained as solid as glass. Next, between a lawless person, this man, invisible man, he was no doubt that he was a brilliant scientist, intelligent one, but he was a lawless person. How he was a lawless person? Not good by the nature. What he did, that his landlord, especially Griffin's landlord, that owner of the house, he disliked Griffin, and what he did, that landlord tried to eject him. Eject means throw out of the house. Tried to eject him. So Griffin, highly tempered man. Actually, this is what the trait of his character. Easily that he used to lose his temper. Highly tempered man. What he did, that especially he set fire to the house of that owner, landlord. Right? He set fire to the house of that landlord in his anger. So after that, he had committed the crime, mistake. So that is why when he tried to escape, when he was running that, when he tried to escape that time, to escape that he had to remove his clothes. Because see now, if Griffin was, when he was wearing the clothes, that time he was visible for the people, right? So when he was escaping, when he set fire to the house of that landlord, and he was visible with the clothes, so that is why it means to become invisible, that he had to remove the clothes. So that is why then what he became in this way, that he became a homeless wanderer, without home wanderer. Second thing, that it means he was without clothes, without home, without money, and thus, and when he was running, somehow by accident, what happened here, that it means his steps, that they happened to in some mud, and at the same time, thus the two boys had seen the imprints of his bare foot, right? When he was running, when he was trying to escape from the landlords and the people, that time what happened, that he happened to step in some mud, his feet, when he was running, and so because of that fresh mud, his imprints started to appear. And at the same time, at the beginning of this chapter, the two boys, a reference is given. This is what that time the two boys noticed there, that they had seen the footprints or the imprints of his bare feet, right? So this is what the first part that we have seen, 2, 3, 4 points, including the author, in short, his biography. We have seen his birth, death, and his work, right? And some starting that we have given. So the rest of the points that we will continue in the next video module. Thank you.